I'm Mike.
And I'm Nicole.
And we are part-time travelers about to embark on a month-long road trip.
It's going to be crazy, but so amazing. We're going to be heading all the way up the East Coast of the United States, and we're going to make a stop in another country. So follow along on our community page so you can see where we're going. Now we're going to be posting these videos all through the summer, so you'll already know when you see the videos come up.
And our first stop is Myrtle Beach.
Now Myrtle Beach is huge. There's so much to do here. We only have 48 hours, so we're going to show you as much as we have time to do.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Stop is the pier at Garden City Beach. Now we know this is not Myrtle Beach technically, but it's so close that it's worth driving to. Plus there's all these little beach towns that you can check out. This pier itself is free. It's a small fee if you want to fish, and they do have a bait shop in there so you can pay the fee, but you can also rent fishing poles, so if you're flying on a plane you don't actually have to bring your own fishing pole. There is a bar, a cafe, and an arcade too for the kids. Let's go check out the pier.
At the very end of the pier, it looks like they do have another bar for late night events. And they have a stage over here too, so that's pretty cool. Looks like they have some live shows. I'm afraid I got some bad news. There is no shark fishing off the pier, and you're not supposed to feed them. Okay, I think that's gonna wrap up the pier. Looks like it's in pretty good maintenance. Our next stop is Broadway at the beach. It is filled with a bunch of stores, shops, and attractions. It's very similar to Universal's City Walk, so we thought that's pretty cool. I don't think we can do everything that we want to, but we are going to show you as much as we can.
My parents know that I love dinosaurs, so they decided to take me to this place called Dino Park. Looks pretty cool. Can't wait to check it out.
This is the cute little ball pit they have for the kids.
Well, the previous room called it Stegosaurus and Ankylosaurus. So
Seriously, you need this kit if you want any dinosaur facts. Did you know most dinosaurs were vegetarians?
You said you've got a T-Rex?
Uh-huh. We have a T-Rex.
Say again?
We have a T-Rex. That was fun. Keep in mind that it is for a younger audience, so if you're a little bit older, it might not be for you, unless you're a dinosaur fan like me, or gave it away.
The next attraction we're going to visit while here is for Nikolai and for the channel. So behind me is One Stupid Company. Yes, this building is upside down and you don't have to adjust your TV set.
They have all kinds of little carnival rides for kids. It's very cute. But we're here to ride that, the Ferris wheel. If you know anything about us, we ride Ferris wheels all around the world, and we're gonna hit a lot more this summer. Let's go check this one out. While we're at the top, we noticed there's a Ferris wheel way over there. I think Myrtle Beach has two. That's going so fast. Are you brave enough? Would you go on the Beast? Leave it in the comments below.
Okay, I think that's gonna wrap up our plans today. This looks like it might have settled in for a while, so we'll pick up tomorrow.
Yeah, the weather decided for us. It's the next day and we're at Brook Green Gardens. Now I know this is a little outside of Myrtle Beach, but it still was worth a visit. It's over 9,000 acres of all of this. It's a botanical garden, it has a zoo, there is a restaurant on property, and from what we saw, it houses the largest collection of American figurative sculptures, like this one right behind me. So we had to check it out.
Look at all these turtles. It says not to feed the wildlife, but I think people have them.
Behind me is Jessamine Pond. It's just a cute little pond, and you got this little sitting area. It also has a trail that goes all the way around it, so if you want to come get your steps, perfect place.
The first parking spot that you come to looks like it's more of just the hiking area. The main stuff and more of collections of statues are towards the center of the park, so I think we're gonna climb into the car in the interest of saving time and drive over there.
Stopped at the Welcome Center. It looks like they're building a conservatory, so maybe when you come, this will be finished. That's the gift shop over there. There's another building over here, and it does look like they have a shuttle.
Just past the gift shop is where you will start your path if you want to see all the sculptures. It looks like they have a collection of about 4,000 of them from like 400 some odd different artists. So that's pretty cool, but that'll take you back past the sculptures over to where the zoo is. We're not sure if we're gonna walk the whole thing or drive to certain spots. This is Diana of the Chase.
The Offner Sculpture Center and Old Kitchen is behind me. We're not going to go take a look at that today, but you can take a look when you come. So not only is Brook Green Gardens a sculpture garden, a botanical garden, it also has a zoo.
Have little otter pups. They're so cute. Looks like a lot of the creatures in their zoo we would typically find in our own state, running around in a natural habitat.
Apparently during the summertime they have summer lights art by night, and it goes from June 4th to August 30th, so you still may have time if you're in the Myrtle Beach area. This place was really cool. I would give yourself like all day to do it though, because there's so much to see. We kind of rushed through. We did it in like 2 hours. All right, so let's go to the next stop.
Our next stop is Myrtle Beach State Park. It is $8 to get in per person. They have a camping area, they have cabins, they have nature trails, and they have a fishing pier. Online it says that the fishing pier is $8, but that's only if you want to fish. Otherwise it is free to walk. They also have beaches here, so you can swim if you want. It looks like they have a red flag up today because it's a little bit dangerous. There's been some storm activity, but let's go check it out.
Ask the front, they do rent fishing poles. They're $25 with a $25 deposit plus bait. The guy said it would come out to $57, but I think as long as you bring the fishing pole back and it's not been ruined, they give you back the $25.
Entering the Nature Activities Center. It's pretty cool. It's got these little interactive signs and it tells you how to make noises like the animals that you're supposed to be viewing.
Is one of the cabins. These things are so cute. Look how big it is too. I would definitely come back and do this. So, but they also have a camp store over here. They have sites for RV and tent camping, and they does say something about a bathroom.
It also looks like it's within walking distance of the beach, so you're right on the beach here.
Yeah, right next to the action. This is perfect.
Okay, I think we're gonna head to our next stop. This looks like a pretty cool park.
So we came down here by the Skywheel and we noticed that they have all of these different things like bars, restaurants. They have a slingshot behind me and whatever this ride is that people are screaming on right now. So we're gonna go check out the town. I think the Ripley's is in this area too, whereas the Ripley's Aquarium is over there at Broadway. While we wait in line, there's a couple little fun facts. It looks like the Skywheel is 187 feet tall. That's pretty tall. It says 15 great white sharks tall. Each gondola costs about as much as a Mercedes-Benz. And each spoke laid out front to back is over 6 football fields. That's pretty big.
All right. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Thank you.
Here we go. And we have liftoff.
Ooh, I'm scared. We've already gone around 4 times and this is our 5th time. I read that you were only supposed to get 4, but I guess we got 5.
Either that or we lost count.
Yeah, I think they're having a good time downstairs. It's country music festival is right down the road, so they're listening to the music probably.
And like all rides, you end up in a gift shop. Down at the end of the road here, there is a Ripley's, believe it or not, of Myrtle Beach.
Yep, they had all kinds of different Ripley's attractions down this road, so you can do a whole Ripley's day if you wanted to.
Yeah, so it's a typical town where you have all sorts of attractions everywhere. Because of the country music festival, it's probably a little hectic. When you come, maybe it'll be less hectic.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't think we're gonna do this today, but we may go grab a bite to eat. It got a little hectic over by the Skywheel, so we decided to leave that area and come over back to the Broadway at the beach. We decided to try the American Tap House. We told us a one-of-a-kind, unique restaurant experience, so we thought, hey, let's give it a whirl. We're really hungry now, so we're gonna go inside.
Appetizer came already. We haven't even ordered our meal yet. This is something called garlic cheese curds. It looks like it has like a creamy garlic sauce on top of cheese curds with some marinara. So it smells delish. Let's try it out. We got some garlic sauce and some marinara. Oh my god, that is so good. Yeah.
Oh, that'll be good.
Yeah.
Wow, those cheese curds were delicious.
Yes, they were. And the food came really quick here, so that's good.
Yeah, this place is pretty interesting. It's like your typical tavern food.
Yeah. All right, so I went with the chicken bacon ranch wrap. It looks pretty interesting. Ooh, that tastes good.
I went with a hangover burger. It just looked interesting. So it's a hamburger. It's got a fried egg on it and corned beef. Forgot, Swiss cheese.
Oh, okay, give it a whirl. Oh, it's huge.
It all mixes together really well. That is delicious. All right, I think that's where we're gonna leave you. That was our 48 hours here in Myrtle Beach.
We had a lot of fun. We did a lot of running. I am tired now.
Oh yeah.
But there's so much to do here. We definitely did not even scratch the surface of Myrtle Beach, but we hope that some of the things that we chose to do will give you ideas on your vacation when you're planning.
Yeah, we would have done a little bit more, but Mother Nature had other ideas and we were fighting with storms. All right, well, as always, thank you for coming along with us. Keep exploring.
And we'll see you on the next one.
One more time?
A T-Rex?
This place has a lot of wisdom. Look at all the owls they have there.